this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Discord not opening on PC. First, close Discord from Task Manager. Right-click on Taskbar, select the option Task Manager. Now head over to the section Processes. Under that, you're going to find the option Discord. Double-click on it or right-click on it and select the option End Task. Once you do that, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is close this. Now, clear Discord app data. For that, search for Run. After it appears, type in %app data% and then hit enter. Now from here, you will need to select the folder Discord and delete it. Next up, right-click on the Discord shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This bypasses permission issues that can block startup. Update or reinstall Discord. For that, launch Settings, navigate to the option Apps, click on Install the apps. Now search for Discord. Once it appears, click on three dots and select the option Uninstall. Now you can close this, launch your preferred browser, type in Discord download. Now click on the option Download for Windows and complete the download process. Lastly, check for Windows Update. For this, close this, launch your settings, navigate to the option Windows Update. If any updates are available, just update it. And that's it. One of these methods should fix Discord not opening on PC. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.